Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kristen with This Messy Lovely Life, and today I'm going to be bringing you a nasty fridge clean with me. So this next week we are going to be going to the grocery store. So on my day in the life I did earlier this week, we had tried to go to the discount grocery store and it was a big fail because they were closed. So we are going to be going this week to the discount grocery store. It's not going to be a huge stock up, but we're going to find some good deals because they usually have some good stuff. Then next week, I'm doing my huge once a month Walmart grocery haul. And we use the Walmart grocery pickup, which is like my saving grace. And we're gonna pick up a big, huge amount of groceries, and I'll show you in a separate video, like our meal plan and all of that. But today I was thinking, you know, I gotta get my fridge ready for all of the new groceries that are coming in. And we don't have that that big of a fridge. So I have to get it all cleaned up and ready. And then as I was looking in there, kind of getting an idea of spacing, I was horrified because I was starting to like really do the good looking that you don't always do. I was like, oh, yuck. Okay, so it's time. We gotta deep clean it. I gotta like scrub all the drawers out and make it all like organized and ready for the new groceries. So join me, hopefully this motivates you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and follow me along on some of our day in the life videos and cleaning videos that are coming up. Okay guys, so here is the before. And it is such a disaster. Not only is it unorganized, but it's also just a nasty mess. So anyways, we have all kinds of stuff in here, like half-eaten things that were put in bags because we try to be frugal and then they end up never being eaten. We have a ton of yogurts that I just picked up from the grocery store. We got some strawberries, half-drank drink. We got some dinner that we're gonna be having tonight. Our potatoes, we're having that with some leftover rice and meat and some cheese. The girls' drinks. This was a pumpkin oatmeal that I made, like an overnight oats. I had leftover pumpkin from the pumpkin bread I made the other day, and I didn't know what to do with it. So I went ahead and I made pumpkin oatmeal and I made pumpkin pudding. Not sure if the kids are gonna really like it, but that's what there is. And back there, we got strawberries and cheese. You can see some of the nast down there. It's so gross. See, all of this. This one's not too bad. I just cleaned that one not that long ago, but look at that one. Oh gosh, oh man, so gross. All of this. And so here are the doors. Not too bad. We do have a few things. I should probably check the date. Like on some ranch. Most of it's pretty new. We have like this half-eaten like candy bar and cream cheese area. I don't know what's going on there. Completely out of butter. So we are ready for a grocery haul. And then up here in the freezer, again, oh my gosh, I don't even know how this stuff builds up and I don't see it. So obviously the trays are not that bad. And actually the doors aren't too bad because I keep them pretty cleaned out for the most part. We got some bananas up there that look nasty. They're ready for some yummy banana bread though. But yeah, I gotta like take care of that business, clean the walls. So that's what we're doing today.
Your smile, now the sunshine brings the light. Fill me out with a flame. I will let you in this game. Take me out when I'm down. 'Cause with you I'm safe and sound. 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 I'm safe.
was the one to judge. You said you've had enough and that you really wanna be with me. What you get is more than what you see. At first you struck me like any other girl that I could find. But when you looked me in the eyes, I knew that this was right. You're a pretty girl with a pretty name, but I'm pretty sure that you're not the same. Feels like you read my mind, and there's more than meets the eye. With you, with you, with you, oh, with you, with you, with you, oh. I was the one to judge. You said you've had enough and that you really wanna be with me. What you get is more than what you see. At first you struck me like any other girl that I could find. But when you looked me in the eyes, I knew that this was right. You're a pretty girl with a pretty name, but I'm pretty sure that you're not the same. Feels like you read my mind, and there's more than meets the eye. Pretty girl with a pretty name, but I'm pretty sure that you're not the same. Feels like you read my mind, and there's more than meets the eye. With you, with you, with you, oh, with you, with you, with you, oh. I'm glad that I found you, and that you will stick around too. Show me who you are. Now we come so far. I can't be without you, and I know I never have to. Show me who you are. Now we come so far. You're a pretty girl with a pretty name, but I'm pretty sure that you're not the same. Feels like you read my mind, and there's more than meets the eye. Pretty girl with a pretty name, but I'm pretty sure that you're not the same. Feels like you read my mind, and there's more than meets the eye. Pretty girl with a pretty name, but I'm pretty sure that you're not the same. Feels like you read my mind, and there's more than meets the eye. With you, with you, with you, oh, with you, with you, with you, oh, with you, with you, with you, oh, with you, with you, with you, oh.
Well, thank you all so much for joining. My fridge is now clean and organized and ready for next week's grocery haul. If you are already a subscriber, thanks for joining. And if you're new to our channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and we will see you guys next time with a brand new video.